Hello friends and welcome. So in this video we learn the basic level of BODMAS. BODMAS rule says B bracket. First we have to solve small curly and then large bracket. O means off. Off we can convert it into multiplication and then exponent also. We have to solve division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now you can see on the board this is a question of basic level and we have to solve according to BODMAS. So first step says we have to solve division because there is no brackets and no off. Off means exponent and there is no multiplication. So first we have to solve division. So we'll write 10 divided by 10, it's equal to 1. And then after we have to solve multiplication. So there is a 10 multiply. After solving this division, we'll get 1 as an answer. So we'll write here 1 and then answer will be 10. And then step 3 says addition. So addition we have already 10 plus after solving we got 10 and 10 plus 10 20. So 20 will be the correct answer. So I hope you have cleared. In the next video we'll learn intermediate level.